Ultrasound scanning is useful in medical diagnosis. It is safe and does not cause pain to patient. This is an ultrasound scanning machine. It is equipped with a built-in computer to process the signal and display the ultrasound image on the screen. Transducers in various sizes and shapes are corresponding to emit ultrasound of different frequencies, which suit the needs for examining different parts of the human body. A layer of water-based gel is applied on the patient's skin or the transducer to eliminate any air between them. This allows more ultrasound to pass through the skin. Let us see some ultrasound images of different parts of the body. This is the image of hand. This is the image of neck. This is the image of one of the parotid glands. The parotid glands are located at the side of the face.